Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your friend Dan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom. This is a tutorial, so let's begin the video. First you need to open Google Chrome, and then you need to open Google Classroom. I have already opened it. Here you can see I have a blank place here. I have not created or joined any classes yet. So now I'm going to show you how to join or create a class. Here to join a class you need to type the class code here, and here to create a class you can see you need to go to I have read and understand the above notice and I am not using Classroom at school with students. Now you need to click on continue. Here you need to add class name. You can keep your class name anything. And we need to add a section, a subject, and we need to also add a room. Now we will go to create. The class is being created. Now here you can see the class code. Here you can just copy it and share this code with anybody you want to join this class. Here you will go to people. Now you can see teachers. Here I am only the teacher here. Now I can add the teachers here. We can invite teachers. We need to type email. I'm going to type my own on the email. The one. Now we will go to invite. Now here let me show you my another Gmail. Here I have already got the email to co-teach this classroom. Now you can just join if you want. Now after Google Classroom is open, you click on accept. This process is shown to you because if you want to co-teach a class and you have got an invite link, then you can join like this only. You can see here my both account are teachers here, and here too you can see it. Now let me reload it. You can see here the teachers. From here we can remove the teacher, and we can also make the class owner. Now here you go to classwork. If you have no assignments, then you can go to create. Here you can post an assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, review post, like that. From assignment, here you go to got it. You can give it title as do it or anything else what you want, and you can give the instructions also. Now here you can add or create some Google Docs, slides, sheets, drawings or forms. I don't need this class, so I'm not going to post any assignment. From this process only you can also post quiz assignments, questions, materials, etc. And now let's go to stream. Here also you can make some announcements that you need. And here if you go to grades, you can see we need to add students. After you add students in their work, you can also give the grades. From here we can communicate with our class. We can create and schedule announcement or respond to students' post. Here you can also see the settings. Here in the general settings, when you go, you need to see invite link is here, code is here. Here if you want all your students to see the class code, you can just display the class code, and then you can copy it and paste it wherever you want. Here in stream you can see students can post and comment. This is the one which we all need. Now classwork on stream. We need to go and just choose SOAP condensed notification. Here, if you want to view the deleted items of your students, then you need to turn it on. Grade categories. This is all we want. Now we'll click on save. Here you can post anything here. You can upload a class theme here. Here we can upload a photo from our own PC or select a theme which is here. What type of subject it is. If it is general, then you can use this type of, or if it is English and history, then like this one. Math and science, like this one. Arts, this one. Sports, leisure, and other. Here you can see many more templates. I've kept the name of this classroom as English, so I'm going to go to English and history. Here you can see that the class theme is uploaded. Now here when you return to your home screen, now if you want to remove this classroom, then you need to go on the menu bar here and then go to archive. Now after archiving, if you want to restore it, you will go to main menu and go to archived classes. You can see when you archive classes on classes, it moves here. Let me show it to you. Like I have archived it. Now go to archive classes. And now here you can go to restore. Now we don't have any archive classes here. Now you can see the class is here once again. Maybe this is my longest video. So this was for today. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you again.